Hello everyone, a little bonus video, kind of just a PSA. I thought about doing a community post, but here we are. We're going to do the video. The GepRC Phantom has actually been renamed to the GepRC Smart 2.5, and this little guy is got a little bit of a bonus deal on Race Day Quads. So if you go to racedayquads.com, you might be aware that they have been offering with select products gift cards. So you buy the product and then you get a gift card. The value changes, but in the case of this particular quad, which mine just arrived and I did not get the gift card. I ordered this weekend and the sale or the special promo didn't start until Monday. So I missed out, but you don't have to. I see that they have the GepRC SmartHD 2.5 listed. It's DJI, so Vista and the Nebula camera, the Nebula Nano with TBS receiver for $329, and then you get a $100 gift card. They also have a few other products. The Recon 5 or Recon 5, I'm not sure. I think it's Recon 5. Also the Fat Shark Shark Bite, if you're interested in getting into that. While the deal isn't quite as good as it once was, you can get that $75 gift card. They also have a few batteries on there as well, or the TX16S Max Edition if you're looking for a radio for someone, maybe even yourself. But yeah, I could have gotten myself another $100, but I didn't. But you don't have to miss out. And you might be wondering, why do I have two of these? Well, one was sent for review. The other one I, of course, purchased. Well, what I'm going to do is I bought a Nebula Pro Naked Vista from Flywoo, and I'm going to put it in probably the one I originally reviewed, just to see what that difference and that weight difference is. And then I'll have two of them, and so I can do back-to-back flights. And that way I can see if going naked is something that I'm willing to do. I've always talked about there being a little bit of a risk with that. You know, DJI built those with those heat sinks in there. There's probably a reason, but a lot of people have gone naked and there don't seem to be any repercussions. So we'll see. Hopefully I can get that done before the weather tends to shut me out. But I wanted to alert you to the fact that Race Day Quad seems to be trying to clear their shelves for all I can tell, and they're giving a gift card that you can maybe buy some batteries or other parts you might need. I'll link down below to this weekly deals page if you want to click that. I do earn a small affiliate commission from that, and it helps me do things like buy second ones that will very likely end up going in a giveaway one time or another. Okay, that's all I have for you. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.